Changing a flat tire can be a bit intimidating, but with the right approach and materials, you can make sure the process goes smoothly and safely. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change a flat tire. 1. Gather your materials. You will need a jack, a lug wrench, a spare tire, and a few basic tools like a flashlight, a reflective warning triangle, it is mandatory in some countries, and gloves. 2. Find a safe spot to change the tire, as far away from traffic as possible and on a level surface. Turn on your hazard lights, and use the warning triangle to warn other drivers of your location. 3. Remove any hubcaps or covers that may be covering the lug nuts, using the flat end of the lug wrench. 4. Loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire, but don't remove them yet. Turn them counterclockwise to loosen them. They will be quite tight and may require some effort to turn. 5. Jack up the vehicle using the designated jacking point on your car, usually a solid metal plate or a point marked on the frame. 6. Once the vehicle is high enough, remove the lug nuts and take the flat tire off. 7. Put the spare tire on, lining up the holes in the tire with the studs on the hub. Replace the lug nuts, and tighten them by turning them clockwise. It's important to use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts evenly and in a star pattern for best results. 8. Lower the car back to the ground and use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts as much as you can. 9. Before hitting the road, check the tire pressure of the spare tire and make sure it is at the recommended pressure level. 10. As an advanced step, if possible, drive to the nearest service center to have the flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Spare tires are not meant to be driven for a long distance, mostly they are only intended for a short distance until you can safely drive to a service center. 11. Finally, you can hit the road with the peace of mind that you are safe, the car is back in good working order, and you are prepared for whatever comes next. It's important to always keep a spare tire and the necessary tools in your vehicle in case of emergencies, and check the tire pressure regularly to avoid this kind of situation. Also, make sure you know how to use the jack and lug wrench and that they are in good working order.